Help! Help!
Are you okay? Come on. Let's go. Get out. What are you doing in there? Come on.
Ah! You guys, we lost him. You guys, I have made it to safety. I am at my destination. They say that somebody does live in this shed. He does not welcome any visitors. We are currently in the middle of nowhere. Hi. Somebody helped me escape when I was kidnapped. I'm walking closer, guys. If you guys can see. There's a big shed. I'm walking closer. We might just have to confront it and walk a little bit closer. Alright, we're really close, guys. We're pretty close. You guys able to see it? We're really close. What is that? What is that? Ah! Run! Alright, you guys, we are back. We have brought some weapons. We're back at the shed. What is that? What is that? Whoa! Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Go! 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 Boom! Boom!